In this video, I'll show you how to install Wine on Ubuntu so you can run Windows programs on your Linux system. First, let's start by checking the version of Ubuntu you're running. Open your terminal and type lscpu, then hit enter. This will show you details about your system, including the architecture. Make sure you have a 64-bit system, as that's what we'll use for this installation. Next, we'll update our Ubuntu system to make sure everything is up to date. In your terminal, type sudo apt update and press enter. This process may take a few moments as Ubuntu retrieves the latest updates for your system. Now that your system is updated, we can move on to installing Wine. Type sudo apt install wine 64 and press enter. This command will download and install the 64-bit version of Wine. The installation may take some time because it requires around 804 megabytes of space. You'll be prompted to confirm the installation by pressing Y and then enter. Let the process complete. Once the installation is finished, let's verify that Wine is installed correctly. In the terminal, type Wine, version, and press enter. You should see the version of Wine that's installed on your system. For example, it might show something like version 3.04, indicating that Wine is successfully installed and ready to run Windows programs.